Hello, we have a few cool updates on our Pipedrive integration with WhatsApp so that when you're connecting your WhatsApp with Pipedrive, it's even better than before. So we have this thing, sometimes we can synchronize the chats in the Pipedrive activity, but sometimes when the chats are too long, you basically have a lot of activity in your calendar for each message that you come. So we have an update now where you can kind of group these messages together so you can see messages that happen within a specific amount of time all appear inside one activity. You can still see at what time it was sent, who sent it in your team, and then the specific in your team who sent it, or if it was our AI system, or if it was you, right? So this can be set up here in the activity sync interval. If you click on instantly, each time you receive or send a message, it gets recorded to your Pipedrive activity. But for example, we have it set up for every 60 minutes or an hour. So every 1 hour, it puts together all the Pipedrive conversation together so that it's not so clogged in our Pipedrive activity. All right. The other thing we have here is the time zone. So you can choose which time zone. So the timestamps on these messages is according to your time zone. And the last few things that we just updated here and that are pretty useful is now you can be more granular with where you want to sync the activity. So if you have this on for deals, it means every time you receive or send a message, it will get synced in the activity of that deal of whoever has that phone number. If you have lead on, it will sync into your lead. If you sync to person, it will sync with the person that it got created, and it can also sync with the organization. So if you just wanted to sync the WhatsApp conversations inside deal or lead or person, you can turn the other ones off for you to handle this more easily. And the other last update is now when you click on live chat, it will go directly into the conversation with a specific person. So it's easier for you to find the leads. So it goes directly into the conversation with your lead so that you can chat with them directly. These are all the Pipedrive and WhatsApp updates we have done now. So WhatsApp and Pipedrive can work better than ever inside your organization. If you need help with the setup, we offer free setup. So don't hesitate to give us a call and schedule a link right here below. Thank you and have a great day.